Need to grab cash but don't want to get hit with a fee? Do you ever find yourself in a new neighborhood or maybe on a trip and you just have no idea where to find an in-network ATM? If you're a Chime member, you're in luck. Chime has a massive network of fee-free ATMs, and finding one is easier than you might think. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can find a free Chime ATM near you in just a couple of taps. There are two main ways to locate a fee-free ATM. The first is through the Chime app, which is the quickest and most popular method. Simply open your Chime app, tap the Move button at the bottom of the screen, and then select Find an ATM. Make sure you allow your phone to share its location so the map can automatically populate. You'll see a map with all the nearby fee-free ATMs, and you can even filter to find locations like Walgreens where you can also make a fee-free cash deposit. The app will give you a list of locations, ordered from closest to furthest, with addresses and even operating hours. The second way to find an ATM is directly on the Chime website. Just go to chime.com/ATMs. From there, you can type in your address, zip code, or city and state. The ATM finder will then show you a map of all the nearby in-network ATMs. This is a great option if you're planning ahead or don't have your phone with you. Chime's fee-free network is huge, with thousands of ATMs at popular retailers like Walgreens, CVS, 7-Eleven, and Target. This gives you more convenient access to your cash without having to pay those annoying fees. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.